When your child is young, your child is small, it takes lot of challenges, takes lot of efforts. Every child is different and every child is unique. Along with you, your family also goes through the same thing.
I feel that society should have little empathy towards special moms. We never need sympathy from anybody.
Absolutely.
We can deal with all our problems and we love our child. Our love is so fierce that it can move mountains, I feel. Welcome back to yet another episode of Trendsetters with Dr. Shalu Kapil. Today, our topic of conversation is very intense. Behind every special child is a mom whose strength defies logic, whose love knows no limits. Her courage is renewed every single day. And daily she has, you might not know what challenges she is facing in daily life. You can't even imagine. I can relate to her. But still, with all these challenges, she is managing her work, her personal life, her identity, her educational life, and many things more. So let's welcome Isha, who has multiple stories to tell to us. Either it's corporate, or family life, or personal life, mom's life, and many more. So, hi Isha.
Hi Shalu.
How are you?
Very well. Thanks
Thank-
for having me here.
Thank you for taking out time. So, I always say it's not a special child, it's a special mom.
See, I believe God has His own plans.
Yes.
And He is a great chooser. He knows who can deal with it.
That's absolutely.
So let me come on my child now. So my son, Reyansh Trehan, a very beautiful child. He is having ADHD, and that we got to know when he was just quarter to 2 years old. That was a turning point because we have never thought that this can come to us, and there can be any cause. That time the causes were not that clear. It could be environment, it could be stress, it could be anything you name, and the guesswork will start coming in. But there is no reason, even with the doctors.
Yes.
And then my journey have turned around. But the best part is that time I have not stopped working. I was still working, and I want to really thank my ex-bosses who were actually very, very compassionate, and who have actually helped me out in that tough journey. When your child is young, your child is small, it takes lot of challenges. It takes lot of efforts where you actually hustle. यार यहाँ पे टाइम देना है, वहाँ पे टाइम जा रहा है.
और
so yes,
मुझे लगता है कि सोसाइटी में सबसे ज़्यादा पेरेंटिंग टिप फिर मदर को ही दी जाती हैं.
actually, every child is different, Sharon.
हाँ.
And every child is unique. It's just that कि हमारे यहाँ, हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में, I cannot say Indian culture, but there हमारे यहाँ Indian society culture is way upper. The society which has set the limit, it is absolutely wrong. They have set a boundaries कि अच्छा ये अगर ऑटिस्टिक है, ये कुछ लाइफ में कर नहीं पाएगा. ये अगर ADHD है, देखते हैं क्या करता है. So never challenge, क्योंकि वो जो चैलेंज होता है ना, आपके बच्चों से वो बच्चा above average निकल जाता है. And that's a true story. There are a lot of remarkable examples. You name them. Einstein
is autistic.
Bill Gates. So they are the true examples which actually they have laid an example and given us the hope कि यार our kids are something.
But just when you got to know that Reyansh has some problem.
He is ADHD. Yeah.
He is it. You got to know that.
Yeah.
Did you accept it for the first time?
No.
No,
नहीं
acceptance
होता.
is difficult, but I think
acceptance
is the first thing.
It is way difficult one can ever imagine. So when he got diagnosed, I have told this to my husband. So acceptance was an issue. नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता, possible ही नहीं है. भाई एनवायरनमेंट को आप कैसे कंट्रोल
शरारती
करोगे?
बच्चा है।
शरारती बच्चा है। नहीं, हमारे यहाँ कम बोलते हैं बच्चे और लेट बोलते
ये
हैं।
भी लेट बोला था।
ये भी लेट बोली थी, ये भी लेट बोला था। So it's okay, and we have all the people around who will definitely try to support you. You know, they will not try to surpass us, but to support. They will always try their best.
नहीं, when you got to know, were you judged for that? That is it because of you?
Never.
Yeah.
See, I tell you what. Every
No, it should not. It is not about the family also. But when you go to a party or you go to any social gathering, लोग देख के ऐसे बोलते हैं, ये मम्मी अपने बच्चे को संभाल नहीं रही है, ऐसा लगता है।
I'm still getting judged.
है ना? This is the judgment I feel.
I'm still
कि वो
getting
कहते हैं, ये
judged.
मम्मी ने अपने बच्चे को समझाया नहीं, ये सोफे पे कूद रहा है।
Exactly.
है ना? This is the judgment they give us.
So जो घर वाले
And
होते हैं वो बेचारे judge
they
नहीं
give us
करेंगे।
parenting tips. इसको ऐसे
Absolutely.
कराया करो,
हाँ।
इसको वैसे कराया करो।
हाँ।
मेरा बच्चा भी ऐसे ही करता था।
हाँ।
है ना?
And I
फिर मैंने
did-
उसको बैठाना शुरू किया।
हाँ।
This is the parenting tips you get from seniors, elderly, your friends. मतलब who are not your friends.
Of course.
They are social people.
Because I tell you what, along with you, your family, your immediate family also goes through the same thing what you are going through. Obviously, if you are in pain, they will not like it. They will also be in pain. मतलब आप अपने बच्चे के लिए रोगे. Even if my mother-in-law, even if my sister-in-law will see it, I will give them a huge credit because they are the one who are nearby me. And even if my sister, if you say, everybody is staying around my brother, everybody, so immensely concerned.
They are pillar of support.
Absolutely, because you know, you need the whole kunba with you. You know,
Yes.
kunba.
The whole, मुझे ऐसा लगता है to brought up a child, either a special child या normal child भी है, तो you have to have a team.
Absolutely.
ठीक है? Somebody is teaching, somebody is working, somebody is giving them manners, कुछ लोग tradition सिखा रहे हैं, so it all comes
Absolutely.
out from
It's
a team.
a team effort. See, there are a lot of bond mothers who try to be bond कि हमने तो भाई अकेले बच्चे को कर लिया है. भाई अकेला बच्चा जब होता है ना, उस बच्चे से पूछना बहुत जरूरी है कि हाउ आर यू फीलिंग. यू नो, ये आपका एक बहुत सेल्फिश मोटिव होता है कि आप अपने लिए आप न्यूक्लियर, इट्स योर पर्सनल चॉइस. देखिए, ये मेरी थिंकिंग है कि बच्चे को जॉइंट फैमिली मिलना बहुत जरूरी है. हर पेरेंट का या हर जने का प्यार या आप बोलो इंटरेक्शन मिलना बहुत जरूरी है. ये मेरी थॉट प्रोसेस हो गई आफ्टर आई हैड रेयांश एंड आफ्टर व्हेन ही मतलब वाज डायग्नोस्ड कि नहीं, ही नीड एवरीवन. And it is not about my convenience, it is about his well-being, his own mental well-being. And believe me, if you have a supportive family, be it your mother-in-law specifically, reason being, I used to go to my work, she is the one who supported my child. I mean, I was not there. और घर का बंदा ही होता है.
Definitely.
I mean, आपका चाहे जो भी इक्वेशन रही हो, बट वो चीज़ बच्चे के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. ये हमेशा अपना एक प्रिंसिपल बना के रखिए. ये थोड़ा सा आप में समझदारी होनी चाहिए कि आपके जो प्रॉब्लम्स है आपके बच्चे तक नहीं जाए.
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जब रेयांश के बारे में आपको पता लगा you should quit job, did you think of that?
या कई बारी थॉट आया. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आफ्टर रेयांश एंड आई हैव गॉट अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क विद DLF. I have worked with people like Mr. Muk Dogra, whom I have assisted in DLF Avenue. He is one of the great gem, I must say that. For a short tenure I was there, but I got then my profile grade got upgraded, and then I was moved to Mall of India. There I had, I mean, you know, the most important person, the most important boss of your life,
Your mentor.
Absolutely, your mentor, your brother, you name and you will get that relation. Mr. Shibli Khan. You know, we actually misinterpret lot of people due to religion, but I don't think so. He is one of those, and he is one of the gem I have ever known, and I'm still very thankful to him because the things I was going through at that moment. You know,
got to know about the Reyansh ADHD.
About Reyansh ADHD, he was just 3 that time, and it was such tender age. I was leaving him for like 7-8 hours, and उसके बाद coming, but he is that gem who has supported me. And throughout my journey of 5 years, he has supported me like anything. He stood like a rock. Nahi, Isha, I'm there. So these are the kind of people we actually look forward for the moms like us.
I feel that society should have little empathy towards special moms.
Absolutely.
Okay, we never need sympathy from anybody. We can
Absolutely.
deal with all our problems and we love our child. Our love is so fierce that it can move mountains, I feel.
Absolutely.
But that empathy is required. Sometimes there are so many hustles in our life. We are going through many things, emotions, many things. And then sometimes we react in a different manner.
Absolutely.
Okay? So that has to be understood,
Absolutely.
I feel.
Uh,
It's not that we are not, honest to our job or something, but it is like we have other responsibilities also.
At times, actually, the same empathy is missing
Yeah.
among a lot of people in society. If not only the work culture, but at times with the core society we reside into.
You face some challenges with Riyansh mixing up with
yes,
friends.
yes, I did. But there are a lot of compassionate people which I also meet at times, and they actually teach their child कि नहीं ध्यान रखो उसका. If he is doing something which is not okay with you, you can tell it to his mother. She will deal with it. So there are a lot of compassionate people around us also. There are a lot of judgmental people, and I mean 90% are judgmental. So I don't want to like give them so much of importance in my life. They will judge me anyway. So let
So
them
मुझे
be.
ऐसा लगता है कुछ पेरेंट्स होते हैं जो अपने बच्चों को सिखाते हैं कि he needs help या you should always help. Like I have other kids also. 2 बच्चे हैं तो मैं उनसे ये कहती हूँ भाई needs your help.
Absolutely.
And he is dependent on you. You have to work for him. So they inculcate this feeling and they know they have to support him. ठीक है. But I think there are many parents जो कहते हैं कि ऐसे बच्चों से दूर रहो.
हाँ.
जो कहते हैं कि आप उनकी गलत बातें सीख रहे हो.
Actually.
And have you any
I have a lot of
experience
such
की
examples.
जो आपको आगे कहते हो कि आप अपने बच्चे को सिखाओ.
बिल्कुल
क्या
है,
कह रहे हैं?
बहुत सारे. I will not name them, but initially when we have entered in class third, I suppose. Yeah, we met at that. So I had such
You had that.
bittersweet experiences, but ठीक है. At times parents are not aware, but now the same parents are really very compassionate towards him. And you need to explain it to them. Every time you cannot walk up to those parents and say कि नहीं, there is a concern. Why? Concern हर बच्चे में है. It's just
that is why I say कि every child is special to her parents.
Absolutely.
है ना? So it is just we are naming them, but I like that word, differently abled, which is given these days.
It shouldn't be like that. Like in case of Riyansh, I never termed him differently abled because in my eyes he's a fighter. So I always educate him. He often asks me these questions. I'm telling you, Shalu, it is very tender age and he do ask me these questions. Mama, I am ADHD. मैंने बोला it's a medal you have received from God. Not everybody deserve the medal like this. So you put it on your chest, flaunt it like a hero and walk. So never feel that it is a failure. No, it's not a failure. You should always walk like that you are a winner of your life because you are struggling of something and you are coming out of it. And you are walking as an inspiration to lot many. Think that way.
See, when I got to know about Inesh first, I thought कि why with me? Me being from a medical background, सब लोग यही बोलते रहते हैं. आपके साथ. See, we are not खुदा. God has designed something for me, that is fine. I have to accept it. Be it anybody's fault, but जो मेरे सामने I have to face it. So I was sitting in front of a mandir or praying to the God. I saw that Shiv ji ki family.
Really?
हाँ, I tell you, I saw that Shiv ji ki family and I said कि my family is like this only. Ganesh ji is not a normal child.
Yes.
He is blessed with an elephant's face. He is not a normal child. He is a special child, and it is because of Shivji that his father is so powerful, and he has blessed him कि वो सबसे पहले पूजे जाएं. सो
Absolutely.
आई गॉट दैट स्ट्रेंथ कि अगर मेरा बच्चा स्पेशल है तो मुझे अपने लिए इतना करना है दैट आई हैव टू ब्लेस हिम दैट ही इज आंसर्ड या ही इज यू नो he is the first person who is asked in our family or something. So that day I thought ki if it is not my child's that child can't do anything, I'll do for him. So I think कि गणेश जी स्पेशल है तो भगवान जी ने मुझे भी स्पेशल चाइल्ड दिया है.
So we are special
we
mothers,
are-
na,
we
and
are
we should
special mom.
take it as a medal that
हाँ.
everyone doesn't have it. People
मुझे लगता है
actually,
भगवान को लगता था ये प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इसलिए हमें दी है.
yes, yeah, no, this is not a problem. This is a challenge. Never take it as a problem because इतना रो चुके हैं ना हम अपनी लाइव्स में.
हाँ.
मेरे तो आंसू सूख चुके हैं.
हाँ.
Believe me. So, you have to gain your strength after having a tearful day. Please get up. Please
हाँ.
wake up. And it is very important for your child also क्योंकि they look up to us. उनका
हाँ.
है कौन?
Without the
अगर
cape
हम-
we are hero to them.
Yeah. So and every hero doesn't wear cape.
Yes.
So yes, as a mom, we are super moms, and
Yes.
I actually believe in that theory. Secondly, I believe we don't need pity of anyone.
हाँ.
We need compassion. We
I
need
don't live
love.
like बेचारे के साथ प्रॉब्लम है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
क्या problem
आपके
है?
साथ भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है लाइफ
वो
में.
आप देखते नहीं हो ना because behind the scene you are the one who are taking
हाँ.
antidepressants. There are a lot of problems, so let's not make fun of anyone.
ऐसे नहीं होता है चल रहे हो आप सोसाइटी में मंदिर जा रहे हो मॉल जा रहे हो
आप
कोई
सब
कहते हैं
परेशान हैं किसी ना किसी वजह से.
हाँ.
That's why you are walking up to God and asking for some help. So
पर वहां पर
अगर
जाके हमारे बच्चे दिखते हैं इसको कोई प्रॉब्लम है.
हाँ मतलब फिर ऐसी कैसी भक्ति. ये तो आडंबर है भाई. ये मत करो.
We must be having many similar incidents in our life.
Absolutely. So I tell you one of those instances जिसमें Riyansh got really overwhelmed. उसको हो जाता है because he is ADHD, then he is hypersensitive. So he is not hyperactive, he is hypersensitive.
Okay.
There is a difference.
Yeah.
And hypersensitive is like कि they are not able to control their emotions. So I tell you why it is happening. Earlier he was absolutely non-verbal. He couldn't speak. The way he wanted to communicate, he couldn't because the language formation was not there in his brain. And the developmental delays were letting him to get hyper. Because the way he wanted to communicate things, it wasn't there. So
अगर आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हो तो
वो अंदर से आप
या
सोचो
तो
कितनी-
एग्रेशन में निकलता है.
कितनी कोफ्त,
हाँ.
कितनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन उस
ये-
बच्चे के
हाँ.
अंदर होगी कि वो बच्चा सिर्फ या तो चला रहा है या
Hit कर रहा है.
हिट कर रहा है. अब सामने अरे आपने बच्चे को सिखाया
नहीं
है. अरे भाई सिखाया सब है बट देयर आर कंसर्न्स. बट पेरेंट्स क्या होता है ना, हम सेंसिटिव हैं. आप सेंसिटिव नहीं हैं, आप सेल्फिश हैं. आप सिर्फ एक बच्चे का सोच रहे हो और वो बच्चा जो ऑलरेडी सफर कर रहा है वो कोई टेररिस्ट नहीं है, वो भी उन्हीं बच्चों के जैसा है जैसा आपका है. हाँ, उसकी चीज़ें थोड़ी ज़्यादा एम्पलीफाइड है, वो आपकी ही मदद से he can still walk through. And even if you don't want to help, his parents, his or her
हाँ.
parents are there to take
Help.
care. So at least be compassionate. Don't make issues out of it. We need compassion. We don't need daya or pity.
हाँ.
And I think same goes with your son, who is beautiful child. When I've seen him, when I met him, oh, such a beautiful child he is.
हाँ.
And I mean, my heart was full of love, and I shown Riyaj that see, that's Vinish. Oh, so he was also like.
I mean, like I think Inesh is my lucky charm.
He is. And when we got the early diagnostic, me and my husband decided then and there कि we won't plan second. We won't. We will accept this challenge and we will put it through this way that he has gone through everything and he has achieved and he'll get everything what he deserves, which is very
But
important.
I think I thought it a different manner. My husband and me, I was like same. I want to work only for Inesh. And then one day my husband said कि if we are not there, who will help Inesh?
Correct. ये
ठीक
thought
है.
आता है.
See, then I
What?
planned my other child, and I tell you, when we got to know it's a girl, and my husband was super happy, and he said चलो उसके पास एक बहन हो गई जो उसको emotions के साथ रख सकेगी.
Absolutely.
ठीक है?
Tejaswini is such a beautiful. I'm telling you. So when
So it was, it is always a blessing to have a second child. And then why I planned third, ki Tejaswini should have somebody to discuss her pains also.
correct.
So I planned the third one.
Hmm.
It is, it is very personal. सबका अपना अपना choice हो
Absolutely,
सकता
it is
है.
very personal.
Everybody said तीसरा बच्चा आज के जमाने में कौन करता है? I'm like,
अरे करने वाले कर
मैं
लेते
कर
हैं
रही हूँ,
भाई.
मेरे
वो
पति
उसकी
को
personal-
पर्सनल लाइफ है. How people are bothered for my pregnancy or my kids?
It's your personal choice.
It's my personal choice.
So ours were nahi. If we had this, so let us like gross up together, and we have to like make him the
But
perfect
Riyansh
man.
has improved drastically. I have seen many changes in him.
It's like when I was working, so my husband has taken 8-month long sabbatical.
Oh,
He is the one who sacrificed, and I'm telling you, we have seen such beautiful changes in him. Then plan B. अब वो plan B आना बहुत ज़रूरी था because उनका भी एक career है, and then Riyansh is 10 now. So then we have decided कि what next. Then I have taken the decision कि now I have to look forward to the plan B. Now what is plan B?
What is plan B?
So, plan A is that we are working somewhere, correct? And we are
Yes.
absolutely totally dependent on that, correct? Plan B is then that we actually create a passive source of income where we actually do not lose our identity because of one place, but instead we can still have the cycle moving in that. We should have two wheels in.
So you being working in a corporate, what do you think कि corporate culture कहाँ is heading to?
See, I have 16 years of long working experience, and the whole credit goes to my mother, my family, and definitely my husband who has supported me throughout. After these long years, I have figured out that now my son needs it. Now he needs my time because बहुत काम कर लिया, and now he need my peace of mind. He needs me. एक बच्चे को एक हैप्पी मदर चाहिए होता है, नॉट अ वर्किंग मदर एवरी टाइम. बट इट्स आवर आइडियोलॉजी दैट हमें काम करना है. आई बिलोंग टू अ वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव फैमिली जहाँ एवरी वुमेन वर वर्किंग सिंस वी वर नॉट लाइक इंडिपेंडेंट ऑल्सो. So my Nani ji was born in 1922. She is a retired vice principal. And my Nani ji, she got nudge and whole support from her. No, from her father-in-law.
अच्छा, father-in-law.
Father-in-law. My Nana ji's father.
Oh.
मतलब he was so open in that era you can ever think about कि बहू को एक ससुर पढ़ा कैसे रहा है. उस वक्त तो लड़कियों का पढ़ना ही बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती थी. तो उन्होंने तो उनको पूरा उनका पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कराया, सब कुछ कराया. देन उन्होंने एज अ लेक्चरर ज्वाइन किया एंड शी रिटायर्ड एज अ वाइस प्रिंसिपल. उसके बाद मेरी सेकेंड जनरेशन जैसे मेरी मॉम, मेरी मासियाँ, so all my masis and mama was into tutorial background, and my mother is recently retired as a director education and in Madhya Pradesh. My masi, she was a professor in Meerut University. And similarly my badi masi, she was lecturer in one of the great government school in Bhopal. So this is how my journey have started because I lost my father when I was just 2. So मेरा जो भी upbringing हुआ है, whatever, everything, the take care happened in Nanihal. Okay. So I'm very close to my Nanihal, and you may say that they are the one who actually supported me and my living. So they are the backbone. So I have 3 mothers. One who is no more. And definitely my mother is there and my badi masi.
That is why we say na Masi.
Masi. Exactly. So this way I have learned that you cannot be dependent on anyone. Be
हाँ.
independent, be respectful.
See, कई लोग बोलते हैं कि you are focused towards money, but I think that is also important. Money is required for the upbringing of your kid, your needs, और आपकी identity. You also have some dreams. How to fulfill them without money?
In this materialistic world, we actually get judged by money.
Yes.
You know, if you're carrying one particular XYZ bag, I won't name it, then you are rich, and then you're worthy of being there.
This is the,
This is such a bad impression
हाँ.
to be thrown on any parent. If the other parent is as capable as you and not earning enough, then he shouldn't be the part of that society.
हाँ. I tell you, I've met many people who comes in, Lalaji वगैरह जैसे होते हैं, they come in dhoti and they are multi-millionaires, but they don't have any proud.
They're grounded.
हाँ, they are very grounded, and the way they'll talk to you, na, you can't even imagine they are millionaire people.
Yeah.
And there are some people who are,
Nothing.
They are surviving on somebody's else money.
Credit cards.
हाँ, and they are, flaunting their bags and things like this.
Does it really matter?
And they judge you just
because you're not carrying that bag.
So that is, the society these days, I think.
It is like that, and you actually get judged by that. And when you actually work in such culture also, you have to go along with the flow also, for the survival. That's why I always say you must have plan B.
So what is your plan B?
That I will discuss later.
So Isha, do you think monetary things is important?
Very important. It is not about only money. It is about your own well-being and your own independence. Acha, chalo, there are a lot of ladies who are homemakers and they do so much more, for their homes. But have you ever thought they have received the kind of respect they actually deserve?
I think it is very personal. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि either you are earning or you are saving.
But when you go inside their families, everybody is
everybody I think is missing.
That element is missing. That lady will do everything for you. They will do dishes, they will do your clothes, they will do ironing, everything. But she will not have any value. तुम करती क्या हो? And we have many such movies that are coming very openly these days. Because these are the things which used to happen earlier also and this era also. So
पर शायद बताने में डर लगता है.
So what I believe, apart from being a working woman, I always wanted to have a plan B. Ki what next? If I cannot be dependent on one source of income. One has to have a plan B.
Yes.
You cannot depend, because there are so many things which are happening these days in corporate life also, which is not very good to know. There are people who are giving up on their life because of depression. And
is it because of the stress? Yeah.
Of course, the work-life balance is not there. Stress is there. So उनको लगता है कि बस यहीं तक की journey, and they give up. We are getting so many newses in newspapers, articles, and it is so saddening that youngsters are actually giving up. Why? So one should always look up to for their plan B. Always have your passive source of income, which is stable. So हमेशा आपके पास एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार रहे जो पहले नहीं होते थे, अब आ रहे हैं.
So do you have a plan B?
Yes, my love. I do have a plan B. Recently, I have joined a very well-known and very authentic platform named iDigitalpreneur.
Oh.
Yes. So we are an edtech company, and who deals with making people strong digitally.
Achha.
So that's how they work. They have a lot of courses, how to make mastery in YouTube, in Instagram, how to do content writing, how to use Filmora, then how to post your reel, how to get more views, and how to get yourself working. And again, if you are not having the job, at least you should be in that work mode on, so that you should not be into depression. You should always
Yes.
feel productive about yourself. Let not any job make you feel productive. You should feel that you are having good enough things that make you feel productive. Don't have dependency on one.
Hmm.
This is my thought process.
So what do you do in iDigitalpreneur?
As I have told you that it's an edtech company, so we skill lot of people who could be homemakers, who could be students, who could be working professional like you, and these are the courses which are very well advanced and very well designed by all experts. So
Okay.
yeah, so all the people who are having expertise in those particular areas, they have designed those programs, and you will get to know the each nook and corner. Will touch each and everything over there, and you will get all the petty details of everything. You know, that is very important when you are learning. ऊपर ऊपर से लर्निंग का कोई फायदा नहीं है. ये कॉलेज जो हमारे एक एजुकेशन सिस्टम है शालू,
Hmm.
it is just giving us education, it is not making us skilled.
Practical usage,
नहीं है.
practical life में क्या
If
use
will
करना नहीं.
yes, if you must have gone through the interview of the gold medalist of the student of Delhi University, उसका पूरा आर्टिकल आया था कि I am gold medalist in all subject, but when I was there for the interview, मुझे एक कंपनी ने सेलेक्ट नहीं किया. Why? Because I was not having skills. So today, so much emphasis needs to be given on skills and upskilling yourself.
When I was in college na, so there was my microbiology professor.
Mhm.
He used to say, don't ratify things.
Absolutely.
Toppers are always droppers.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि आप रट के कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे.
देख
Go
लो.
to the clinics, see the patients, you'll get to learn more.
See, I tell you, I have worked with Gen Z also. I have worked with lot of professional. Gen Z के साथ थोड़ा सा concern है, because उनको वो work कल्चर समझने में, या हमने जैसे काम किया है, उनको वो एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है.
हाँ.
अगर
They
उनका
have their own ways.
yeah, they have
And
their
they
own,
think they
and
are
we
right.
have to, they think they are right,
think
and
they are
आप उनको
right.
समझा के थक जाओगे, but they won't understand, they would quit. They are early quitters, they are not the go getters right now.
अच्छा.
So we have to be adaptable to make their, because we are the one who have spoiled them with phones and technologies. अब उनका दिमाग पूरा फोन में ही है. उनका काम, उनका जो दिमाग है वो काम में नहीं है, उनका पूरा दिमाग फोन में. तो वो कैसे फोकस करेंगे? So focus is an issue. So it is not only with special kids, it's with the Gen Z also.
Gen Z also.
So let's not label them, because
हाँ.
यहाँ पे ना हमारी सोसाइटी में एक सबसे आसान तरीका है, किसी को भी लेबल कर दो.
मुझे लगता है अब ज्यादा होने लगे. शायद हम लोग जब छोटे थे तो बच्चे यही होते थे, शरारती बच्चा है, ये नालायक बच्चा है, ऐसे ही मतलब
नालायक बच्चा.
होती थी. ये नालायक, मतलब अगर आपके एग्जाम में मार्क्स नहीं आए तो
तो
मम्मी
वो
लोग
नालायक, पर वो नालायक बच्चा आज किसी कंपनी का सीईओ बन सकता
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
और या उसने खुद की कंपनी शुरू
It
कर
is,
दी
you know,
है.
I think the society has become more aware that a child is not learning Hindi, SST, English, so he is good in something else. Let's plan something उसके हिसाब से and make him a better person.
Absolutely, make them a good human being, make
हाँ.
them a compassionate human being. ये जो करियर वगैरह सब बन जाता है. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ शालू, लेट मी आस्क यू अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन. तुम इतने बड़े हॉस्पिटल में आज एक डॉक्टर हो, पेंटामेंट, यू हैव वर्कड इन गंगाराम एज वेल. या किसी ने तुमसे 10th की मार्कशीट के मार्क्स तुम्हारे एसएसटी में कितने आए थे पूछा है?
मुझे याद भी नहीं है.
That's what.
हाँ.
That's what. हम मार्क्स के पीछे क्यों चीज कर रहे हैं?
I तो never
Actually,
like
हमें लगता है ना कि हमारा बच्चा इस दुनिया में बेस्ट है. नहीं भाई, they are better than the best, and they are the challengers who are taking challenges and accepting it. So
मुझे
beware.
लगता है जब से 3 Idiots आई है तो थोड़ा सा लोगों का नोशन
Open
बदला
हो
है.
गया. Yes.
So that is a very nice movie.
Yeah.
कि अब लोगों ने एटलीस्ट समझना शुरू किया कि
Yeah.
इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट
काबिल बनो.
हाँ 50 में से 50 आ रहे हैं तो ही ठीक है. पता चला जिसके 50 में से 50 आए हैं वो तो अलग है, जो 50 में से 20 है वो अपनी स्किल. इतनी डेवलप
ज्ञान
करके कहाँ
कहीं
पहुंच
भी हो,
गए।
कहीं भी से भी ले लो।
मुझे ऐसा लगता है इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू एक्सेप्ट फेलियर्स।
एब्सोल्युटली।
अगर आप हर बार ही विनर रहे हो या कोई बच्चा हमेशा विनर रहेगा तो वो ज्यादा आगे निकल नहीं पाता।
आई बिलीव
जब
दिस
फेलियर्स
हैपन।
देखता है ना
एब्सोल्युटली,
तो
वो
वो ज्यादा
टर्मोइल में चला जाता है।
यस
एक्चुअली ये मुझे जो लगता है, ये स्कूल कल्चर या अर्ली एज में ज़्यादा हर बच्चे को फेस करना पड़ता है, एंड आई थिंक वो करना चाहिए। तो कुछ फेवरेट्स होते हैं, कुछ नॉन फेवरेट्स होते हैं, कुछ तो बेचारे बैक बेंचर्स होते हैं, तो
हाँ।
बैक बेंचर्स तो कोई देखेगा ही नहीं। कुछ फेवरेट्स जो होते हैं वही आगे होते हैं। सो इट इज नथिंग टू डू विद
कुछ मीडियोकर्स रहते हैं ना।
कुछ-
मुझे एक टीचर ने बोला कि या तो मुझे शरारती बच्चे याद रहते हैं या फिर जो इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, मीडियोकर्स मुझे याद ही नहीं रहते हैं।
so that's the very wrong notion you're
हाँ।
putting
से
in the
इंटेलिजेंट को
brain.
तो कोई भी पढ़ा लेगा ना।
So I
द
have
स्ट्रगल इज कि आप जो नहीं पढ़ रहा है उसको पढ़ाओ।
हाँ, तो वो स्ट्रगल कोई लेना नहीं
नहीं
चाहता
लेना
है।
चाहता।
वो तो भाई ऐसा लगता है ना
That
कि
is for
हमें
moms.
हमें तो बस मेडल दिखाना है।
हाँ।
We just need a certification. So I just need to raise this question from all the school authorities and the teachers who are having the similar notion. एक बात बताएं, आपके सब्जेक्ट में हिस्ट्री के जो मार्क्स हैं वो कौन पूछेगा? आज की डेट में हर बच्चा, चाहे वो हिस्ट्री में हो, चाहे वो सिविक्स में हो, चाहे वो ज्योग्राफी में हो, हर कोई डिजिटाइज होना चाहता है। तो अगर आप वो बच्चों को याद नहीं रखोगे, अगर वही बच्चा कल को कोई गोल्ड मेडल ले आता है तो फिर आप बोलते हो कि मैं उसकी टीचर हूँ। सो दिस इज अ वेरी रॉन्ग नोशन यू आर पुटिंग इन द इयर्स ऑफ अदर किड्स एंड अदर मदर्स एज वेल, व्हिच इज नॉट करेक्ट, बिकॉज वो भी ऐसे ही सोचेंगे भाई मेरे बच्चे में तो कीम खाब लगे हुए हैं, एंड शी और ही विल लाइक बी ऑन द डिफरेंट, यू नो, दुनिया ही अलग होगी। सो वो नहीं होना चाहिए।
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फ्रॉम माय प्लेटफॉर्म आई कैन से मदर्स को थोड़ा ज्यादा एम्पैथेटिक होना पड़ेगा।
हाँ,
ठीक है। अ चाइल्ड कैन बी मोल्डेड इन एनी विच वेज।
एब्सोल्युटली,
ठीक है।
kids are very natural.
हाँ, so it is not the fault of a child who is misbehaving, या it is upon the mothers, and I उसको बहुत ज़्यादा लेबल भी नहीं करना चाहिए कि हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बट क्या कंपैशनेट एम्पैथी पेरेंट्स को सिखानी पड़ेगी।
बिल्कुल सिखानी पड़ेगी। अगर उनको नहीं पता तो आप उनको बताओ।
हाँ।
I believe in that, and I actually keep on posting some educational.
Yes, I really like them.
Because it is not about Reyansh. To be very frank,
हाँ,
I want to empower every mom who think कि मेरे बच्चे में कोई अभी दिक्कत आ रही है कि वो कर नहीं पा रहा। भाई कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बी नेचुरल।
तो टीनेजर्स की अपनी प्रॉब्लम होती है। आपका इफ योर चाइल्ड इज गोइंग थ्रू बैड कंपनीज या उसको कोई बैड आदत पड़ गई, दैट इज आल्सो अ चैलेंज।
इट्स अ चैलेंज। और आजकल आप किसी भी स्कूल में देख लो, कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंज आ ही रहे हैं।
कंपनीज, यू गेट इनटू बैड थिंग्स, दैट इज आल्सो हैज टू बी
एब्सोल्युटली
मैनेज्ड,
टेकन केयर। या सो उसपे क्या होता है, लाइक मतलब मैं रेयांश के साथ भी कई बार स्ट्रगल फेस करती हूँ कि जहाँ ही एक्चुअली स्टार्ट्स श्रिलिंग, क्योंकि उसका जो इमोशनल बैलेंस होता है वो उस चीज़ को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाता। तो in that way currently I'm getting very good support from the school, and must appreciate their efforts, but at the same time I really want my child to be independent. Instead, I really require कि let the child come up on his own. अभी तो there are things that happens. So while he will grow up, I think things will change. Definitely. And I'm very, very optimistic towards it. We have to be.
So what do you do for yourself as a stress buster?
See, first of all, I have started doing like positive thinking, जो ये एकदम से होता नहीं है। जब आप लाइफ को बहुत पास से देख लेते हो ना कि क्या वैल्यू सिस्टम है, आप कहाँ से उठ के ऊपर आ रहे हो, देन एक आपके अंदर एक अलग सा वैल्यू सिस्टम क्रिएट होता है। एंड आई डू लॉट ऑफ शिवा चैंटिंग नाउ। मुझे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, मुझे बहुत बोलते ना अंदर से स्ट्रेंथ आती है व्हेन एवर आई टेक नेम ऑफ शिवाजी। सो आई फील कि वो मेरे साथ खड़े हैं, बिकॉज ही इज द वन हु विल डिस्ट्रॉय यू एंड ही इज द वन हु विल रिक्रिएट यू। एंड मैंने रेयांश को भी सिखाया हुआ है, जब भी तुम्हें डर लगे जोर से बोलो Om Namah Shivaya. So we have recently been to Malaysia.
हाँ
तो अब उसको ना रोलर कोस्टर पे बहुत डर लगता है, नहीं तुम बैठोगे, तो बोलते मैं नहीं बैठ सकता, तुम बैठ के तो देखो, उसको बिठा दिया। तो वो उठ के एकदम खड़ा हो गया, द राउंड वन। इन दिल्ली वी यूज्ड टू हैव माय फेयर लेडी,
हाँ हाँ
है ना, वो पहले होता था बट वो यहाँ पे अब तो है
हाँ
नहीं। तो मैंने बिठा दिया, मैंने बोला बैठो, एंड मी एंड माय हस्बैंड वर चीयरिंग हिम फ्रॉम डाउनस्टेयर, यस रियांश यू कैन डू इट। सो वो जब झूला
हाँ
तो ऑब्वियसली उसको थोड़ा डर तो लगेगा,
हाँ
and he started chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So when he was coming down, so one of the foreigner, and Riyansh asked him, from where are you? So he said, I'm from US. Ki, what are you chanting? Why are you saying these things loudly? Shiva is my god and I'm from India. I'm an Indian and he is my god. And मतलब हम तो इतने खुश कि भैया तू तो आंसर दे आया। मतलब presence of mind.
So that is more important. That is how you face public.
Yes.
How you answer is
Yes.
more important.
Yes, you know facing public is very important and वो बच्चे का डर निकलना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर आप डर बिठाओगे तो वो हमेशा के लिए बैठ जाएगा।
मुझे भी याद है जो रोलर कोस्टर्स हैं, इनेश वाज यूज्ड टू, इनेश को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था इन सब चीज़ों का, एंड आई वाज द वन, मेरे हस्बैंड को तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, आई वाज द ओनली वॉलंटियर, मुझे ही बैठना पड़ता था। मैं कोई चक्कर आ रहा था, ही इज एंजॉयिंग, मुझे लगता अच्छा ठीक है, यू आर एंजॉयिंग, आई एम सिटिंग।
That's the best thing. That's what I say कि mothers are the heroes without capes.
एंड ही तो मुझे ले जाता इस पे बैठना, एंड ही मेक मी सिट देयर ट्वाइस थ्राइस, और मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं, मैं कहती चल ठीक है तू बैठा, मैं तो घूम रही हूँ।
But that's what you enjoy life,
हाँ।
है ना। Recently when I told you that we were in Langkawi, तो Riyansh had his first experience near to the sea. He have never, हाँ, तो we were making all those sand castles and he was so excited, he was so relaxed. So ये phases बच्चे को बाहर ले जाके बहुत important है, अलग-अलग चीजें experience करवाना।
मुझे तो घुमाया ही इनेश ने for his treatments.
Same.
उसकी ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए बॉम्बे, यूएस, सब
बहुत
जगह
जरूरी है, क्योंकि बच्चे उसमें चाहे किसी भी वे में जा रहे हो, हम अपने बच्चे के लिए जा रहे हैं।
My husband said he has come to enjoy life.
Yes.
Let him enjoy.
Yes. That's the best philosophy.
We are working, let him enjoy.
Yes, that's what my husband.
तो पैसा कमाने वाले लोग अलग होते हैं, पैसा को यूज करने वाले लोग अलग होते हैं।
ठीक है, हम कमा लेते, तुम यूज करो।
हाँ, हम लोग कमाने वाले हैं, वो यूज करने वाले। So what is your take on RX Rejuvenate?
I have a full faith on RX Rejuvenate. I'm telling you that because of that faith, we met in our office also, and I did session. So it was loved by all my colleagues, and you know they were actually after my life ki nahi, we have to do it again, and but fortunately, unfortunately, now I'm here with you. But yeah, I got a very good feedback across all offices, and thank you for coming and educating them. You know, we actually have to have a lot of education towards ourselves and our own skin.
Self-care, self-love
Yes.
is important.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So how do you relate beauty and ladies? Do you think it is important?
Of course. I mean, you cannot go in a bandho choti to every place. You cannot do that because you have to be in a whole attire, in a whole look when you are going to meet someone. To pick your son also or your daughter or anybody, you need to have the particular look. You cannot go anywhere casually. I mean, and this particular, you may say, awareness was created by my husband. I was very casual earlier. So he used to like say कि नहीं, dress up well, go, you have that personality.
I feel if you dress up nicely, you're looking good, you become more confident.
You become more happy. What I believe.
And you know, जब आप किसी से मिलते हैं तो सबसे पहले उसकी शक्ल देखते हैं, उसकी स्माइल देखते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है उन दोनों पे काम करना is very important.
Absolutely, you're so right on that. Yeah.
If you get to know that there is no tomorrow, what one skin treatment would you like to have on your face?
I would like to go with Hydra facial by your clinic because of course I have a faith in your clinic, and definitely it is that treatment I would like to go again because I have tried earlier also and amazing results. So yes.
Thank you. So this was Isha today on our channel, and I hope बहुत सारी moms ने हमसे relate किया होगा, थोड़ा society में empathy develop होगी हम लोगों के लिए और special kids के लिए, and also you'll get to know about plan B, which you can have in your life. So thank you, Isha, for joining us. Thank you so
Shalu,
much.
for having
Thank
me
you.
here. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.